Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study analytical chemistry. Start by building a solid foundation in core chemical principles. Understanding concepts such as stoichiometry and equilibrium is crucial for success. Dedicate time to practicing various types of problems, as this reinforces your theoretical knowledge. Also, get acquainted with the basic laboratory procedures and instrumentation used in analytical chemistry. This comprehensive approach will set you up for effective learning. Dive deeper into specific analytical techniques, focusing on their underlying principles. Mastering concepts like acid-base titrations and redox reactions is essential. Don't just read. Actively solve problems from your textbook and supplementary materials. This hands-on practice helps solidify your understanding. Additionally, review the theory and applications of instrumental methods, including spectroscopy and chromatography, to broaden your knowledge base. Practical experience is vital in analytical chemistry. Strive to develop precise laboratory skills by meticulously performing experiments. Pay close attention to detail and safety protocols. Equally important is understanding how to analyze your data effectively. Learn about error propagation and various statistical tests to interpret results accurately. Applying your theoretical knowledge to practical, real-world scenarios will significantly enhance your learning. To truly excel, establish a consistent study routine and stick to it. Regular review sessions are far more effective than cramming. Don't hesitate to collaborate with classmates. Discussing challenging concepts and working through problems together can provide new perspectives. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. This holistic approach, combining individual effort with collaborative learning and practical tools, will optimize your study experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.